Cleveland State community has embraced Zoom as a means of staying connected at a distance, and over the past 2 years has created an impressive amount of cloud recordings. We're asking all Zoom users at Cleveland State to help us manage the amount of recording space available for future semesters by taking the following 3 steps. Download, delete, disable. Download cloud recordings to store locally and in alternative cloud storage repositories. Important: please note that Zoom meeting recordings that contain personally identifiable information should instead be stored on OneDrive. Zoom recordings containing protected health information as outlined by HIPAA should remain in the Zoom cloud. Delete. Review your Zoom recordings and delete any that you no longer need, including recordings that you have already downloaded. Make a habit of doing this regularly. Disable. If you record all Zoom meetings by default, disable this setting. Instead, only record meetings you need to keep or share with others. Let's go through each of these step by step. To begin, in your preferred browser, navigate to https://csuohio.zoom.us. This will bring you to CSU's web-based Zoom portal. Select the Sign In button, and you will then be prompted to sign in with your CSU ID at csuohio.edu and your campus password. Once logged in, navigate to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and select Recordings, and then select the Cloud Recordings submenu. In the Cloud Recordings menu, we can see I have several different Zoom meetings that have been uploaded to the cloud. To download the files from these meetings, we will navigate to the right-hand side of the screen. Next to the Share button, we will select the 3 horizontal dots, and in the drop-down menu, we'll select Download. You should see a Download Recording Files box pop up in the middle of your screen, which will notify you that each file in the meeting will be downloaded separately, as depending on your Zoom settings, your meeting could be 1 file or several files. To complete the download, navigate to the bottom of the box and select Download. If you are saving a cloud recording for your own professional use, we recommend uploading it to Microsoft OneDrive. If you plan to use a cloud recording as teaching materials, we recommend uploading it to Panopto. Please refer to each of our videos on how to upload to either of these platforms. Important: cloud recordings that contain students' personally identifiable information cannot be used as teaching materials in future courses. Please see the PDF labeled The Virtual Classroom and FERPA FAQs to learn more. A link to this document can be found in the description below. Once we have downloaded our Zoom meeting and stored it elsewhere, we want to make sure we delete from Zoom Cloud Storage to save space. To delete a Zoom meeting from cloud storage, we will again navigate to the right-hand side of the screen, and next to the Share button, select the 3 horizontal dots, and in the drop-down menu, we'll select Delete. A box will pop up in the middle of your screen confirming that you want to move this Zoom cloud recording to your trash. Note that if for any reason you need to recover this file, it can be recovered from your trash folder within 30 days of deleting it. To complete the deletion process, navigate to the bottom of the box and select Move to Trash. In order to save future cloud storage space and only record meetings on a case-by-case basis, we need to disable automatic meeting recording. To do this, we'll navigate to the menu at the left-hand side of the screen and select Settings. Then we will select the Recording submenu. Once in the Recording menu, we're going to scroll down the page until we find the Automatic Recording setting. To disable automatic recording, we are going to locate the toggle switch on the right-hand side of the screen and click to ensure that the toggle switch is set to the left-hand side, indicating that the setting has been disabled. With automatic recording disabled, Zoom will no longer record your meetings automatically. Email us at instructionaltech@csuohio.edu or visit our virtual Zoom help meeting Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 at https://csuohio.edu/Zoom help.